So I have this window with this big frame with a red border, and I want to add to this frame another one, a smaller frame with the blue border. The problem is that when I add the frame, the bigger window will shrink. To save or solve this issue, I'm going to add the special statement propagate. I'm going to call it from the bigger frame with the parameter false. Now if I run my code again, we will see that the bigger window or the bigger frame didn't shrink. Now if I'm not using pack but instead get, I'm going to simply call get propagate, but before that I'm going to try without the call of propagate. So I'm going to call get directly, then run my code. We can see here that the window shrinked, even if I specify, of course, the row equals 0 and column equals 0. Here again, the window shrink. Now, to avoid this, I'm going to call get propagate. We can see here that the window didn't shrink. Now, if we use the place layout manager, I do not need the pad X and pad Y, but instead the placements of the frame. So X and Y, and then I'm going to remove this statement and the code. You can see that we didn't need a propagate statement. With the place statement, the bigger frame didn't shrink. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.